Understanding Clipping Path, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, clipping path. Often used in graphic design and photo editing, this term might seem a bit technical at first, but we'll break it down together. So, let's explore what clipping path means and how it's used in everyday language. A clipping path is a term primarily used in the world of graphic design and photography. It refers to a shape or a path used in photo editing software to isolate a certain part of an image. This isolated area can then be manipulated separately from the rest of the image. Think of it as drawing an invisible line around something to cut it out from its background. In practical terms, a clipping path is used for various purposes like editing images for online stores, where you might see products with a plain white background. That's often achieved using a clipping path. It's also used in more complex graphic design tasks, such as creating composite images or changing backgrounds. Understanding the concept of a clipping path is essential for anyone interested in graphic design or photography. It's a basic yet powerful tool that helps designers and photographers control how an image looks and directs the viewer's attention to the desired part of the photo. Let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine a photograph of a beautiful bird on a busy background. By using a clipping path, a designer can isolate the bird and perhaps place it against a simpler background, making the bird the focal point of the image. And that's a wrap on clipping paths. Whether you're into graphic design, photography, or just curious about new English phrases, I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the term clipping path confidently. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language adventure.